5 little frogs sat on a log. Splish, splash, croak, croak, green and small and soggy. One jumped off with a happy plop. Now how many frogs? Let's count and stop. Ribbit, ribbit, count along, learning numbers in a song. Jump in, jump out, splash and play. We learn and laugh all day. 4 little frogs sitting in a row, wiggly legs and eyes that glow. One jumped off with a giggle and grin. Splash in the pond, let the fun begin. Ribbit, ribbit, count along, learning numbers in a song. Jump in, jump out, splash and play. We learn and laugh all day. 3 little frogs on a lily pad bright, croaking songs in the warm sunlight. One hopped off with a cheerful sound. Plip, plop, splash. Now look around. 2 little frogs having lots of fun, jumping together one by one. One said, "Watch me dive down deep." Splash went the frog with a tiny leap. 1 little frog all alone on the log, looking at the pond so cool and soggy. He took a breath and jumped with glee. Splash! Now there are, let's see, no little frogs on the log today, all in the pond where they love to play. 5 happy frogs go ribbit, ribbit, swimming and splashing. Won't you join it? Ribbit, ribbit, count again from 5 to 0, now to 10. Jump and learn in a happy way. Counting frogs makes learning play.